I hope everyone is following their dream of completing CFA by practicing. CFA won't happen just by registering. Okay, you'll have to work hard, and I understand, you have jobs, you have your commitments, and in between that, you have to do this. And I've started with the most difficult subject, but this is the most difficult subject. Nothing is as difficult as quants. And trust me, if you see your score, you won't really be. I've seen the scores, and I have not seen really bad scores of most of your. So it's doable. Don't worry. Overall cons, it's manageable. You will get easily 70%. I don't think so that is going to be difficult if you practice what we've done in the class.
Okay. Ideally, how many readings do you think for cons is needed?
Well, there is no criteria such. See the basic recipe of passing is read once, practice once. So once you do in the class, then you practice yourself and then give the test. This is one package. Practice once in the class, then you do it yourself and then give the test. Now just do number of trials of this package. The second time, again, you read the concepts, you practice it, and then you give the test. So the reason I'm taking reading wise test and then I will be taking the entire QM test. So that is the reason that, the test giving is important, because of test you read. And you may at times, now when you will be reading for test, you'll realize that, oh, for the test, I'm not prepared by one reading. I may have to do it again to revise it. I may have to do it third time to remember it. So yes, as I've been saying again and again, 3 to 4 readings are sufficient. But not only readings, along with the readings, your written practice, especially in quants. See, not everything in CFA is practical. In fact, the biggest subject like FRA or ethics, they are not practical. There is hardly calculations in both. In FRA, of course, you have few calculations, but very few compared to other things. So the maximum calculation you see, the maximum calculation part you will have is in either in this. Very few in FRA or ethics. There is a calculation in portfolio, equity and fixed income. However, that is related to what you've done here. Correct? So I think you should do the written practice. You should follow the notes, and then you should give the tests. And if you do 2 or 3 times, nothing like that. It's great. Okay. Any doubts further, guys?